Hello and welcome to this very short tutorial on how to delete a Trello card from a Trello board. So we have a sample Trello, empty Trello board here. Then let's create a list, sample list, and then let's create a card in it, a sample card. Now you can delete this card in two different ways. Um, First is to uh, click on the archive button. Okay, first you click on a card and then you click on the archive button and the delete button appears. You can click on it and delete this button. You confirm the delete pressing the delete button once again in the popped up form. Remember that there is no undo, so you will never get this card back. Okay, the another method is sample card. Okay, you click on it, you see share and more button and a delete button is there. You can click on it and delete the card permanently. So this is how you delete cards from Trello boards. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Like and share the video if you have liked it, and also subscribe to our channel so that you get all the latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. Thanks again.